welcome back to my channel. My name is Eniela and I do all things skincare, beauty and lifestyle. In case you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You are the real MVP. And in case you're a new subscriber, of course, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. Please do not make this video your last one. Watch other videos and of course subscribe. Okay, my table is a mess because I have a lot to show you guys today. Yes, we went shopping for our affordable skin, hair and body products, plus beauty maintenance, everything that I do in the last week of every month. I did it last week of January, and of course in a new month I really want to take you guys through what my list looks like. And I'm so excited to show you guys this. I actually changed my body wash to Dr. Teals Body Wash with pure Epsom salt, glow and radiance, vitamin C and citrus essential oils. I love this body wash. I don't know why I'm just getting on it. And I got this from Shop with Tika. Absolutely love this body wash. In fact, just bringing it close to my mouth like this, I can already smell the vitamin C. Now, the Epsom salt helps to just exfoliate your skin gently without you feeling irritated or anything. While the vitamin C, of course, is going to brighten up your skin. And then the essential oils just it adds fragrance to your body care skincare routine. And honestly, who wants to leave the bathroom and the odor is terrible? No, when you use this body wash, even your bathroom is going to be smelling nice. And I absolutely love it. I've been using it for like a few days now. See, I've opened it and I just thought that I have to take you guys through this body wash. It is really important. And if you're looking for a body wash that is not slimy, then this one is really good. And I got this a while ago, but I just feel like I should also feature this in today's grocery shopping list. It goes for about how much is here? 2,950. It's been a while. I don't know why things are so expensive on the island, but it was really expensive. 2,950, but it gets the job done. You want to make sure that you're not just cleansing your face, cleansing your body and doing body care, but you're also getting down there, because sometimes you sit beside a lot of girls and then there's this mixed odor and you're wondering, do you mean to tell me that the way you're decked up and fine with bone straight hair all over you like this, that place is smelling? Do you mean to tell me that? So I always make sure that I restock and I top up on my Femfresh. This is really good. Not that if you use water, kudos to you, sis. But I just like the squeakiness and the cleanness that the intimate skincare Femfresh stuff gives to my stuff down there. Anyways, now the next thing is shaving stick, and there's this hack that I learned from, I think, a YouTuber. So when you're about to shave your armpit or down there, you're supposed to use aloe vera gel, which is also something that is always on my list. Aloe vera gel down there, and then you will go in with your shaving stick here to just get the stuff down there really nice and clean. And when you use shaving stick with aloe vera gel, because the hair there is already tender, you will not be dealing with issues like razor cuts or razor bumps or just the dark pigmentation that your armpit or your stuff gives. No, you will not have to deal with that. In fact, this helps to ensure that that area is not inflamed and to ensure that that area is not getting darker. Now, the very next thing that I have on my list is toothbrush, and I recently just changed my toothbrush. Sorry, I have removed it from the pack and stuff. I recently just changed my toothbrush. I like to change my toothbrush at least once every 3 months because I'm just a freak for smells and stuff. This too, I am up. See, sis, I know this is excessive and you were not expecting this. But this is who I am. I am excessive. Now let me take you guys through the two of them. Now, sometimes I use Euthymol or Colgate or Crest, but those are my 3 top favorite toothpaste. It's either Euthymol, Colgate or Crest. So if I don't find any of them, I always go for any of them in alternate. Do you get? And then because I went to the supermarket, I couldn't get the Listerine mouthwash, so I ended up getting something that I know has a lot of fluoride, and that is Oral-B. So that is how I ended up getting and using 2 toothpaste. Yeah, it is excessive. So the Euthymol goes for 2,750, while Oral-B is quite affordable. I think this very small size is 350 or 450 or so. It's not so expensive, really affordable. Honestly, the two combined gives me that squeaky clean fluoride feeling. I want my mouth to be feeling like I brush my teeth. I don't want to always feel like, okay, when I'm talking I have to be conscious, okay, is my mouth smelling, is my mouth not smelling? I don't want to be that lady. The next thing that I got from Shop with Ika is this Cerave Eye Repair Cream, and I did a video on how to use it on my Instagram page, on my Insta Reels. I really like this eye cream. I don't know why I'm just getting it, but I just decided that this month we are doing something new to our skincare routine, and I did Naira from Shop with Ika's website. I stand to be corrected. Sometimes I don't keep notes or keep track of some of these figures, but it is actually quite cheap if you ask me, and it is a drugstore option compared to the Inky List eye cream that I reviewed for you guys earlier. This is important in order to get rid of the dark eye circles and the puffiness under your eyes. I really like this. I like this so much. The next thing that I always get, I never run out of cotton bud. I know it is weird, but I need to always have cotton bud at home. I fall under the category of girls that like it's the little things, sis. It is the little things like odor, little things like freshness of your breath. It's the little things. Just like Q-tip is important. Apart from just using it for my makeup, sometimes of course for hair, sometimes of course for cuts. It's just important for you to have like Q-tip in your house. And this one is like 350 naira. It was really cheap. Then the next thing that I got for body care maintenance this month is this Smart Collection leather perfume. This one, I love smells, but I also don't feel like you need to spend a lot of money on skincare or body care, or because you want to smell nice. Why is your perfume 15,000 or 20,000 naira? To me, it's a bit excessive. But maybe when you are earning in like millions and stuff, you can afford to spend that much. But this Smart Collection perfume, it was Papi that got it for me. I can't remember how much he got it for. It's like really nice. The smell lasts longer on your body. Do you understand? Oh, this entire space has just changed. You guys need to get a fragrance too. Now that concludes all the things that I wanted to take you guys through on your skin, affordable hair, body product stuff today. Now let's talk about beauty maintenance routines. The first thing is this, sis. If you've not loosened the hair under your wig this weekend, by God's grace, this video is going to go up on Friday. This weekend, tomorrow, Saturday, make sure you lose your hair. Make sure you condition it, and make sure you do this hair steaming stuff. And it's quite affordable. See, my cornrows, I had to lose my braids, and then I deep conditioned it, and of course I had to put it back in my cornrows. This cost about 2,700. Losing of braids was 500. My hair weaving was 700. Conditioning and steaming was 1,000 or so. That's 2,200. Do you get? And it is quite affordable. Do you understand? You don't have to spend so much to look good and presentable. But please, by all means, since you need to change your weaving, the weaving under your wig, it is outdated. It is bad for you to remove your wig and the odor is terrible, or the hairs, the undergrowth is so obvious. Do you understand? It's just a terrible thing to see. The very next thing is your nails. Your nails. Do you fix your nails, or do you like pedicure or manicure? I know a girl that has naturally groomed fingernails, and then she just comes to the studio that I use, and then they just put gel polish on her stuff, and it is quite affordable. I always do my nails at least once a month, and of course my feet. I paint my feet too, and I fix my nails and use gel polish. This service cost about 6,500 naira. I'm putting the services here, and I'm also going to insert a picture of my nails for you guys to see. 6,500. That's 4,500 for your hands, and then 2,000 for your feet. It is not expensive to look good, and it will last you for about 4 weeks. Do you get? And I always keep it short to the length that I can cope with, not something that is too long that I will not be able to use to eat or wash or stuff. Then the very next thing is Wig Revamp and Restyling. Let me show you guys something. So much for you to revamp and restyle your wig at home. Now usually I try to give my hair I do protective hairstyles in between using my wig and stuff, and that's braids, twist and stuff, and then I'll also use my wigs. See, I've coiled my hair for the past 1 month now, and I just removed it, and it's on a wig stand, so that when I'm ready to just put it on my head. It's already in a style that is good for me. What I know a lot of people do is that they just put their wig somewhere or something. No, sis, you need to do better. In 2022, we are taking care of our wigs. So we are looking like that girl. That girl is fine. That girl has everything on lock. That girl is looking beautiful. That girl is attractive. And please, your hair makes in fact, if you take a selfie, your hair makes 95% of your selfie. So if your hair is not looking good, sis, you are not looking good. That's just it. So wig revamping, I know a girl that does revamp and stuff. If you're interested, I'll connect you and give you her Instagram handle. But I usually just do this by myself. I already got hair care products that help me to keep my hair really, really soft and just moisturized. Do you get? This is important. Then the very next thing is makeup products. Makeup products are really, really important. Please, some of you need to change your beauty blender. You need to change your beauty blender. You need to change your eyeshadow. You need to change a lot of things. It is not expensive. It is not expensive to look good. It's about you being intentional that, this year, I'm going to work on my looks. I'm going to look better. I'm going to smell better. Please, by all means, please try to do it. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was a listing video, like a shopping haul and everything. My table is really, really decked up right now. But I hope you guys really enjoyed it. The list of everything I got will be in the description box down below. If you're interested, of course, please check it out. Please check it out and buy it. I want you guys to keep tag me on your pictures if you practice some of these things that I'm preaching. Please let us support each other. Of course, give this video a thumbs up. I want to know your thoughts also in the comment section. Let me know, okay, Eniola, I don't use this. Eniola, I'm going to get this because of you, or I'm going to try this because you mentioned it. Okay, guys, in the very next one. Bye.